U.S. stocks in the red this Wednesday afternoon, easing from record highs set earlier in the day as traders weigh the prospects of new fiscal stimulus measures. Now, the major averages gave back their gains after Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell told Politico that both Republicans and Democrats are still looking for a way forward on additional fiscal aid. Shares of DoorDash, meanwhile, a leading food delivery app, started trading today over at the New York Stock Exchange. The company priced its shares at $102 a piece Tuesday night, above its range of $90 to $95, and that stock began trading at $182 a share, giving it a market cap of $57.8 billion US dollars. Taking a look now at the Forex market, it's more of the same since the morning. The euro-dollar is where we begin. That's under pressure and in focus. The pair reversing down below the level at 121.35 and below its 20 and 50 period moving averages. Short positions below 121.25 are favored with targets at 120.60 and 120.40 in extension. Moving on, the British pound US dollar pair intraday, that happens to be under pressure, while the US dollar Japanese yen pair, that sees the bias remain bullish. Taking a look now at the Bitcoin dollar intraday, the upside does prevail as long as 18,157 is the support. 18,157, that's also the pivot point. While over in precious metals, gold intraday, that's under pressure and in focus. Gold trading below the key resistance at 1866 and capped by its 50 period moving average. Short positions below 1866 are favored with targets at 1848 and 1841 in extension. This while silver intraday continues to see a period of caution. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV on this Wednesday afternoon, I'm James Swinney.